Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 33 from section B. So let's start with question number 33. In question number 33 it has been said that let an be the sequence of real numbers such that a1 is equal to 3 for n greater than equal to 1. Now given that an plus 1 is equal to an square minus twice of an plus 4 upon 2, then which of the following statements is or are true? An is a monotone sequence. Option A. Option B is an is a bounded sequence. Option C is an does not have a finite limit as n tends to infinity, and option D is limit of an as n tends to infinity is equal to 2. So we have been given that n is a sequence of real numbers and an is equal to 3. a1 is equal to 3. Let's find out a and a2. So a2 will be equal to 3 squared is 9 minus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4 by 2, that will be equal to 9 minus 6 3 plus 4 7 by 2, it is 7 by 2. Okay, now let us find out a3. So a3 will be equal to 49 by 4 minus of 2 into that will be 7 plus 4 by 2. So this will be equal to 49 by 8 minus 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 49 by 8 minus 12 by 8. This will be equal to 37 by 8, which is equal to 37 by 8 will be normally equal to, it will be somewhat greater than 3. And here also 37 by 8. Basically what we can see, this is also greater than a1, this is greater than a2. So what we can see is that an is an increasing sequence. Therefore an is an increasing sequence. Now if it is increasing, that means that summation of an, that an is an monotone sequence. So option A is correct. Okay, we've also seen that since it's an increasing sequence and it is at a1 is equal to 3, so definitely we can also write that an is bounded below, we can write rather is bounded below, or we can write that an is a bounded sequence. Option B is also correct. Now let us try to find out limit of n. Let limit an as n tends to infinity be equal to L finite. We are assuming it is finite. Okay, now if it is not finite, now if that finite value is equal to 2, then option D is correct. And if that L comes out to does not have a finite limit, or it tends to infinity or whatever, then in that case we'll see that option C is correct. So now let us find out. So we have been already given that an plus 1 is equal to an square minus twice of an plus 4 by 3. Upon breaking down, this gives us an plus 1 is equal to by 2 an square by 2 minus an plus 2. So this is what we meant. Now if we take limit on both sides, taking limit, this will give us limit an plus 1 n tends to infinity, this is equal to 1 by 2 into limit an square as n tends to infinity, and this will give us minus limit an as n tends to infinity plus 2. Now this we can write as limit n tends to infinity an plus 1 and an will almost be the same thing over here, 1 by 2 into limit an as n tends to infinity whole square minus L plus 2. So this can be written as L equal to L square by 2 minus of L plus 2. So this will be equal to L square minus thrice of L minus 4 of L, not thrice of L, 4 of L by 4. This will give us L minus 2 whole square is equal to 0, and this will give us that L is equal to 2, which is a finite number. which is a finite number. So as you can see that will imply that L is equal to 2, or we can write that limit an as n tends to infinity is equal to 2. So option D is the correct option and option C is the wrong option. So we can say that option A, option B and option D are all the correct option. So these are the correct options. So today we have solved question number 33 from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve Classes for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.